My name is Camila Pagán and I am part of Challenge 2014. This is video assignment submission number 4, question number 1. So the first question asks us to look for the integral of a function. So the integral as it tends from 0 to 1, as x tends to 0 to 1, of x plus 2 squared minus 4 over x. So, first of all, what we want to do to this equation is expand it in order to find its integral. We expand this equation, so it's going to be x2 plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 over x. That integral of 0 and d of x. So we can cancel these two values out. And also, as we can see, there is a common factor of x. And so we can also factor it out. So, and finally, we are left with that as 1 tends to 0, as x tends from 0 to 1, x plus 4 is going to be our final answer. So now we need to find its derivative. Now we need to find the integral of this function. So according to the integral properties, x is going to become x squared over 2, because n plus 1 over n plus 1, n to the n plus 1. So we're going to have 1 plus 1 is 2 over 2, plus 4x, because, well, yeah. And so as 0 tends to 1, now since this is our equation, we need to find these values in order to make it a definite integral. So put here 1 and 0, and so we substitute 1 and 0 into the equation. First 1, so we're going to have 1/2 plus 4 minus 0/2 plus 0. So obviously this is going to give you a total of 0. Minus, so we put it under the same common factor, so we're going to have 1 plus a over 2, which is going to give us 9 over 2, which is going to be our final value. So this is how you solve an integral equation, by expanding the original quadratic equation, and so solving for what x tends to, which in this case is going to be 9 over 2 when x is from 0 to 1. Thank you.